So whether you're a full-blown entrepreneur or you just have a side gig and you drive an Uber car, you are going to get different forms in the mail this tax season, and you're going to have a whole slew of different tax write-offs that you need to pay attention to. Lisa Green-Lewis, TurboTax expert and CPA, is here with us right now. So first, let's start with the forms. As a reminder for people, they're going to get this 1099 NEC in the mail. What is it and what's it reporting?
Yes, so they will receive a 1099 NEC. If you're new to self-employment, you won't see a big change, but in previous years, you would have received a 1099 MIT, but now it is a 1099 NEC, and it reports income from, whether you're a freelancer, contractor, working a side gig. You could see income from that, as well as the 1099K.
So the 1099 MIS was stood for miscellaneous at one point. And this NEC, you said, is non-employee comp. So I guess it makes sense. But I swear sometimes they just live to confuse us. But that said, look for your 1099 NEC if you're self-employed, and then start taking tally of your deductions, right? So what are some of the things self-employed people should be on the lookout for?
Yes, definitely claim anything that's directly related to your business, because that can help the taxes you owe, whether it's your self-employment taxes or your overall federal taxes. You want to lower your net income. So, if you've done advertising, marketing, bought equipment, your home office, a huge deduction. I would definitely make sure that you claim that if you're eligible. If you have an area in your home that's dedicated to working your business, you want to make sure that you take that deduction, which is a percentage of your mortgage interest, property taxes, rent, utilities, as well as depreciation.
And in theory, right, when you say dedicated, it can't be like the laundry room can't be in the corner, or the kids' playroom isn't on the other side. Like, it is a dedicated 4 walls room strictly for your office. TurboTax will absolutely walk you through that process and questions. So you mentioned things like equipment, but so supplies, meals, if you take clients out, any kind of entertainment or travel, make sure you keep all these receipts, right? Let's talk about retirement plans. What do self-employed people do with that?
Yeah, so self-employed, you can contribute to your SEP IRA. It's very generous in how much you can contribute, and you may get a deduction for what you can contribute. And you can contribute the lower of 25% or up to $61,000 into your IRA for 2022. And you can do that up to the extended tax deadline and make an impact on your 2022 taxes.
So that's October 16th, just so people know. That's the extended tax deadline. Many of these people, I should say, will be filing Schedule C. And I know TurboTax has a specific section or software to help Schedule C filers.
Yes, so we do have, now it is our TurboTax Premium, and so that handles self-employed as well as investors, and it searches for unique deductions for self-employed, because there are so many unique professions now, and so it uses artificial intelligence, and it gets smarter and learns these professions, so it will surface deductions that you may not even be thinking that you will be eligible for, and it's based on your specific unique profession.
Yeah, it's worth the exercise, because as an entrepreneur, you work so darn hard. You should get as much money back as possible. Lisa Green-Lewis, TurboTax expert and CPA, thank you for all of that.
Thank you for having me.